In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to present Google Slides on a different or second monitor. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is click the little down arrow next to Slideshow and select Presentation Display Options. And just where it says Display Slideshow On, if there's multiple monitors connected, you can select them from here. And if you don't see them, you may have to allow the permissions to connect to additional displays. You have to select Allow within the browser. And then there should be additional options appearing under here for allowing that slideshow to be displayed on. And that is pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.